there's some exciting stuff happening. I get to start on my sourdough journey. Good morning, everyone. It is the day after Christmas. So my mother-in-law actually got me a sourdough starter kit. And she also provided me with some starter. And I actually have to feed it today. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And you guys will get to experience my sourdough journey. I also wanted to quickly mention one other thing. My husband got me these jars for spice making, and I just washed them out yesterday, and now I'm just letting them dry. So yeah, I'm actually going to be filling up the rest of those jars today with my current spices, and I still have about probably half of them left to use other spices that I'm going to be making. So yeah, that's a fun little Christmas update. I hope you guys all had a fantastic holiday, and let's get to it. So this is my starter. It also has directions on it. It also comes with a recipe book. So this is where I'm getting my sourdough bagels. Here we are. And sourdough English muffins. So I'm gonna also be trying to do those later. So I'm already confused. This says equal parts starter, equal parts flour, and equal parts water. So am I supposed to is this the starter? Do I put this in here with flour and water? Or do I just put flour and water in here? I'm a little bit confused. Okay, so I think I'm supposed to put the starter in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. On that note, now I'm going to do equal parts flour and water. So I think I'm gonna do 1/4 of a cup of flour. And it's 1/4 of a cup of water. And then I just mix this in together, I think. Is that what I'm supposed to do? Okay, and this band is to tell me the level that it's at. This back over it. Now we're supposed to... So that's what it looks like. I think now we're supposed to wait like 4 to 6 hours. Feed at least once a week. So these are the ones that I'm going to be transferring over. A lot of these ones, and there's some nutmeg right here. So I'm gonna get started on that. So I guess I'll start with nutmeg. These are my labels. Let's grab this one, and here's ground nutmeg. Oh. And this one we just kind of stick on here somewhere, kind of like that, and then this is what it looks like. There we go. Let's try this rubbed sage one. There we go, the labels match. perfect. So far that's what we have. 3 rows, 4 rows. I didn't do all of them, just the ones that were kind of low. I don't think this one will fit in there, and these ones have the same size bottle, so I didn't worry about it too much. This one came with some blank labels too, and that was kind of the main reason why I got it, was so that way I could do this for my own spices. And I made this serrano salt a couple weeks ago. I think I posted it already, maybe not, but I can actually write in here what it is, so I'm gonna do that one too. Perfect. I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna put this one on. I didn't do the lid yet, but I will. Get rid of this spice rack. It's kind of why I wanted the other spices. So I'm gonna go through and see how many of these I can keep and what these even are. Because I might just toss these and then just wash it and sell it. So I think all of these spices are all like rubs from when we were doing meats. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and toss these out, just because they're all old. And then yeah, I'm just gonna wash all of these containers because I don't think I should give it away as is. So that's what we're gonna do. Go ahead and clean this thing off just because it needs it.